Hey guys, today I'm going to give you 5 business advices that I've learned from my own personal experiences. First, I'll talk about the importance of having the right mindset, the benefits of working for yourself and having multiple sources of income, and taking risks to achieve success. I'll also share the best 3 tips for beginners looking to start selling on Amazon in 2023. So let's get started. I believe that having the right mindset is crucial when it comes to achieving success, whether it be my personal experiences or my professional life. By having a positive mindset, I am able to overcome challenges, stay motivated, and remain focused on my goals. The way I do this is by cultivating a growth mindset, which means whenever I see failures, I see them as opportunities to learn and improve. Working for yourself has numerous benefits. For one, I get to be my own boss and have more control over my work-life balance. In this way, I also have the freedom to pursue my passions and work on projects that excites me. This also means that I can have more control over my income and earning potential. There are various sources of incomes, including active income, passive income, and residual income. Let's talk about what they are. Active income is income earned from working a job, or basically your normal 9 to 5. Passive income is income that is earned from investments, rental properties, or side businesses such as selling on Amazon, where I earn money without having to actively work for it. And residual income is income that is earned from work done once, such as YouTube, social media monetizing, etc. I believe that taking risks is an essential part of achieving success, but it is also important to take calculated risks. By taking risks, I can learn from my failures and grow from them. It also allows me to innovate and come up with new ideas that can take my businesses to the next level. However, you should take a step back and think about calculated risk, because taking risks without careful planning and preparation can lead to failure. Now, when we talk about passive income, we can start selling on Amazon. And if I'm thinking about selling on Amazon in 2023, here are 3 best tips for the beginners. Tip number 1 would be to research your product niche. Now, before I start selling on Amazon, I should start researching on product niches to ensure that there is a demand for it. I look for the products that are popular but not oversaturated, and identify areas where I can differentiate myself from the competition. Optimizing your products is crucial for getting any products seen by customers. I usually use relevant keywords in my product title description and use high quality images to showcase my product. I also encourage customers to leave reviews to build trust and credibility. Now, I cannot emphasize on this tip anymore. I have also uploaded a full video on how to optimize your product listings to make sure that your sales goes on. Now, if you're a beginner who's starting to sell on Amazon, or even if you're a professional who already sells on Amazon, you should definitely use the Amazon advertising tool. Amazon advertising is a really powerful tool for reaching more customers and increasing sales inside and outside Amazon. I use Amazon's PPC, which is pay per click, ads to promote my products and target specific keywords and audiences. To sum up this short video, I'd like to emphasize that having the right mindset is really essential for having success. And working for myself provides numerous benefits. There are various sources of incomes that you could try on, including having active income alongside passive income, and also there is always residual incomes. Taking calculated risk is essential for achieving success, and by following the 3 best tips of selling on Amazon in 2023, beginners can start their journey towards their e-commerce success. Thanks again for watching this video, and I hope you found this video very helpful. If you did, let me know in the comments, and if you'd like me to talk about something else, put them down in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one.